Gusto mo ng good vibes pero ayaw gumastos? Hindi na crystals ang problema, kung hindi ikaw.
Pero bakit kasalanan ko?
We get it. Ang daming stress. Sa trabaho, sa bahay, sa buhay. And sometimes, all you want is konting peace of mind, konting spark of hope, or konting good vibes para lang makatuloy ka. Pero lahat na nakikita mong crystals, mahal, intimidating. Parang para lang sa mayayaman. But here's the truth. Hindi mo kailangan ng limpak-limpak na pera para simulan ang healing journey mo. Ang kailangan mo lang ay isang bagay na abot kaya, pero powerful. And that's where Sheffy's Crystals comes in. Source mo ng authentic and quality crystals for as low as 20 pesos. Pang-proteksyon, pang-heal, at pang-manifest ng good energy. With trusted customer service and fast delivery via Shopee, TikTok, and Lazada. Imagine this. A small crystal in your pocket na nagbibigay ng calm sa commute, energy sa work, at protection from negativity. So wag mo hintayin maubos ang energy mo. Start your healing, even on a budget. Check out na before they're gone. Because you deserve something that works with your energy. I'll see you soon. Bye!